Stack v. Dowden is an important case in trust law. It established that where legal title is held jointly, there is a presumption that beneficial ownership is also held jointly. Ms. Dowden and Mr. Stack were cohabitees. They purchased a house in their joint names but made no declaration as to entitlement of the beneficial interest in the property. The purchase price of £190,000 came from £129,000 of Ms. Dowden's savings and sale of her previous property. The remainder came from an interest-only mortgage and two separate endowment policies. Mr. Stack paid the mortgage installments totaling £27,000. Ms. Dowden paid £38,000. Ms. Dowden paid the majority of the utility bills. They had separate bank accounts and made separate investments. The parties then separated and Mr. Stack brought an action for sale of the property and distribution of the proceeds in equal shares. The House of Lords held the starting point for determining beneficial interests where the legal title was held jointly, is that beneficial interest will also be held jointly. This presumption may be displaced where there is evidence that this was not their intention. Baroness Hale stated, in the cohabitation context, cases in which the joint legal owners are to be taken to have intended that their beneficial interests should be different from their legal interests will be very unusual. This is, therefore, a very unusual case. There cannot be many unmarried couples who have lived together for as long as this, who have had 4 children together, and whose affairs have been kept as rigidly separate as this couple's affairs were kept. This is all strongly indicative that they did not intend their shares, even in the property which was put into both their names, to be equal, still less that they intended a beneficial joint tenancy with the right of survivorship should one of them die before it was severed. Before the Court of Appeal, Ms. Dowden contended for a 65% share, and in my view she has made good her case for that. In summary, Stack v. Dowden established that where co-owners purchase property and fail to declare how beneficial ownership is held, there is a presumption that the beneficial ownership will mirror the legal ownership. This presumption may be displaced where there is evidence to the contrary. This video is part of a series of videos on law from www.e-lawresources.co.uk. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel www.youtube.com/@e-lawresources. It's free to do so and will help us to keep providing these videos. Check out our website which provides lecture outlines and case summaries. See also www.elawrevision.org.uk for revision games and quizzes. Thanks for watching.